Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this microphone clip art and they want to do this right here. I could actually now turn it like the original graphic, and that's what it would look like. So if you look, this definitely has a white bounded box because it doesn't show up. So we're going to put it over here. Let me just move this out of the way. Let me put this here. Yeah, that's good enough. Then I've already made it small. When he sent it to me, it was like 13 by 13. So I made it small. Go to Trace Bitmap Outline, Trace Clip Art, which I use 99.9% of the time. Put OK and nudge that over. You can see it's got a white background, and we're going to get rid of this one anyway. But if we go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and then we can take that white and just hit delete. We'll go ahead and delete that white too. Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn it so it's perpendicular. And I'm going to take this section right here and I'm going to left click, right click. There's several trains of thought on how to make I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key to make the font look good in there. My suggestion would be to take a 3-point curve line and go from about right. Now let's go, go from about right here and then give it a little bit of a curve. I'm going to go ahead and use that same curve. So I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard. I'm going to mirror it and then I'm going to move it over. That's going to be our spot for our word. Now, I'm going to set the nudge factor a little bit higher now. I'm going to set it like on 3. And I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill in that block and I'm going to nudge it over. Then I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to write out the word music. All caps is going to work better. And a font that really works well with the envelope tool is Cooper Black. It doesn't have to be any particular size. You don't want to move this block. You can move your word around, but don't move the other. So click on your word, go up to Effects and Envelope. I'm going to pick right here. It should say what it is. It's a single arc. Create from envelope form. Look at that. Now I'm going to shift select my item and I'm going to go CE. That put it in the middle of our, right where we need to be. Now I can take away my lines. And because we've nudged, I can nudge that right over. So I've still got shape of the microphone. Now you could leave it like that, or you could take the word itself and left click, no fill, right click outline, take your Smart Fill tool, set on black, and just fill in wherever it needs to be filled in. Then always group this together, and then he can make it any size he wants. That's a pretty cool graphic. I'm kind of happy I helped him out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.